Good morning. My name is Christine Barrett, the proud principal of Point Webster Middle School. We're here at Point Webster this morning for our annual Cleaner, Greener Quincy. We've been doing this for over a decade, and with the support of high school students as well as our middle school students, we are beautifying our school grounds. We're mulching, we're planting, we're cleaning up trash, and making our community a better place.
Hearing gene therapy. We got out the Eli Lilly, right? Now, of course.
Hi, Clifford Marshall. Today I'm at the Cleaner Greener, and we have to clean everything up to make the school very sparkless. And if you guys want to join, you could just join all you want.
Hello, everybody. We're up here at Pageant Field, which is part of historic Marymount Park. This park was donated to the city in 1885 by Charles Francis Adams, a descendant of the president, second president of the United States. So it's a beautiful spot up here at Pageant Field, and it really sums up the day because we had volunteers all across the city today, park locations, school locations, marshes, city beaches. Did an incredible job cleaning up. And it's all with volunteers. We've got organizations come and help us as teams, as neighborhood folks that just come up and do the area they're in. But the city looks beautiful, and we're so grateful for all the volunteers today that help us make it so beautiful. So if you haven't joined on any of the events yet this year, we're celebrating our 400th. And June 14th is going to be a beautiful, massive parade. So I hope you can join us for that. The parade goes down Hancock Street. It actually ends up here at Pageant, where we have a ceremony and a fireworks display. So to all those that worked with us today, thank you. Enjoy the good weather.